Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, January 31st, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post attendance. Students, please remind your teacher to make sure they've posted their attendance. Let's make sure we are 100% on posting our attendance so that information in PowerSchool is correct. Also, announcement, please do not allow students to go to the restrooms after 2:40 unless it is an emergency. We're having some congestion in the hallway due to that, and so we want to make sure that everyone is getting where they're supposed to be and it's safe and orderly. So please make sure you take your restroom breaks before 2:40. Today, the library will be back to its regular schedule. Ms. Smith is very excited to see you again. Please remember to bring your library pass when you come, as well as your badge. Also, since Ms. Farrell is using the Collab Lab for her testing, please do not send students there or call Ms. Gibbs there. If you need to reach Ms. Gibbs, the fastest way is by email. I'm sure both Ms. Gibbs and Ms. Smith will be out and about in the building tomorrow, taking care of anything people need and getting workbooks for new students and those kind of things. So if you still have an outstanding need that you need from either one of them, let them know and they will work on it tomorrow. Late duty today is Miss Stowe, followed by this week by Miss Peralta, Miss Moore, Miss Everett, and Miss Waller. Important dates. So January 31st through February 4th, we have the continuation of the access testing for EL. January 31st, also tomorrow, we do have a faculty meeting. There will be a faculty meeting today after school. Tuesday, February 1st, 4th and 5th grade ELA, ACAP Refresher PD. This is a virtual PD. Make sure that you've read the email and signed up for that. Also, Wednesday, February 2nd, we have the 4th, 5th grade Math ACAP overview virtual, so that you need to sign up for that too. Wednesday, February 2nd, we have data meetings during extended PE. Monday, February 7th, we are going to have K through 2 PST, and Tuesday, February 8th, we shall have 3 through 5 PST. Wednesday, February 16th, is going to be Course of Study PD during your extended PE time. Additional important dates for the month of February. The entire month of February is African American History Month. So, in your classes this month, this upcoming month might be a great time to highlight some famous African Americans and their contribution to our country. Also, February 2nd is World Read Aloud Day. I'm super excited about World Read Aloud Day. If you would like a guest reader to come do some reading aloud in your room, I'm sure there are several of us that would be willing to come do that. So let me or Miss Smith or I'm sure Miss Mullen and Miss Spiegelberg also would be more than happy to squeeze you in to their day at some point. So super excited about World Read Aloud Day. Also, February 7th through 11th is National School Counseling Week. So that is the week that we will celebrate Miss Pate and all that she does for us here at Kate Shepherd. February 11th is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. That's super exciting. Women and girls do great things in science and are always coming up with new and innovative things. So we are going to celebrate these girls and ladies as they do things in science and make new discoveries and those kind of things. And encourage our young ladies to look at these different careers and think about things that they might be interested in doing. February 17th. Ooh, I'm super excited about this one. February 17th is Random Acts of Kindness Day. Woo! Random Acts of Kindness Day. I am counting down the days until Random Acts of Kindness Day. Now, for Random Acts of Kindness Day, you might decide that you, in your classroom, you want to do a passion project for that day and come up with a kindness project as a class, or just you yourself, your person, may decide that on that day you are going to pick a random person and do something really kind for them, or you're going to be more intentional in being kind to others that day. So that is awesome. I'm super excited about how kind we will all be on February 17th. Looking forward to it. February 21st through the 25th is Public Schools Week. February 23rd is School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. So teachers, if you would like to help our bus drivers feel a little bit more appreciated, February 23rd is the day. So mark those on your calendar. We will continue bringing those up so you don't forget them. Now, word of the day is a trapezoid. Trapezoid is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. Well, we know a quadrilateral, quad means four, so it's a four-sided figure, and it has at least one pair of parallel sides. Trapezoid is our word of the day. Now, congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. So our K1, we have Miss Hogan's class, and we have Grayson from Miss Clark's class. Then our 2-3, we have Miss Granger, and we have Lucas Hobroot from Miss Hamlin's class. And then we have Miss Barnes. We have Miss Barnes' class as the top class, and we have Rihanna from Miss Langford's class as the top student. So, wowzers, way to go, guys. I know y'all have been working super hard. It's exciting to see some different faces in that 4th, 5th section. I think we have lots of different faces on this whole winners strip this week. So that's exciting. I see that lots of people are working hard and we're getting a little bit more competitive. Okay, who's going to be our winner next week? Can't wait to see. Well, we have a lot going on this week, Kate Shepard, but that is all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, and I will see you soon.